Welcome back to Revision Hub. Today we're going to look at animals. So Lorenz wanted to investigate the relationship between infant animals and their mothers. His study focused on imprinting in grey-lag geese. A clutch of goose eggs were randomly divided so that half of the eggs hatched in their natural environment with their mother goose, so this acted as the control group, and the other half hatched in an incubator, where the first moving object they saw was Lorenz, which was the experimental group. It was found that grey-lag geese that hatched in the incubator followed Lorenz everywhere, and the grey-lag geese that hatched in their natural environment followed their mother. This still occurred when both groups were mixed together, and we call this imprinting. The conclusions drawn were that bird species are mobile from birth and follow the first moving object that they see. Imprinting has to take place within a critical period, for example, a few hours after birth, or else the chicks do not attach themselves to a mother figure. A strength of this study is that it is scientifically credible because a classic experiment is used where there is a control and experimental group, increasing validity. However, a weakness is that the mammalian attachment differs from that of birds, as mammalian mothers display more emotional attachment towards their infants compared to birds. This reduces the generalizability of the findings to mammals. Another study was done by Harlow, and it aimed to increase our understanding on attachment. Rhesus monkeys were used to test the concept of comfort. 16 baby rhesus monkeys were reared with 2 wire model mothers. In condition 1, milk was dispensed by the plain wire model. In condition 2, milk was dispensed by the cloth-covered wire model. It was found that the baby rhesus monkeys hugged the cloth-covered wire model as they found comfort there, inconsiderate of where milk was being dispensed. Hence, contact comfort was more important than food. A strength of this study is that it has practical value because it helped a social worker called Harlow to gain an understanding about the risks of neglecting and abusing children. Hence the findings have a high mundane realism. Those of you who don't know what mundane realism means, I just want to say it means that it can be used in day-to-day life. It's similar to day-to-day life. However, weakness is that Harlow study is unethical because the rhesus monkeys suffered from psychological distress and trauma post the experiment. This suggests that the experiment does not comply with the BPS ethical guidelines. So the BPS is basically the British Psychological Society, and they set ethical guidelines that every experiment has to follow in order for the experiment to be carried out. In our next video, we will look at the learning theory, but before then, make sure you make your notes from what we covered today, and don't forget to revise, rest, test, and repeat yourself. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and thank you so much to Canva because I use their templates to make these slides. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and press the bell icon on our channel, Revision Hub. Thank you.